Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Silverado LT double cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z6608A. Only 38,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Victory red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Matching fiberglass cab. Locking tailgate. Backup camera. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Power driver's seat. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Easy to read gauges. Again, only 38,000 miles with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger with additional under-seat storage. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3-liter V-8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. And approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.